he still going?
I think he's getting down below.
Woo! That was awesome. You missed the jump. You're good. Yeah. Oh, there were my gloves. Son of a bitch. You all right, Lou? Because I was trying to cut up next to you. I fucked myself. I was trying to... Yes, I did get that on tape. That's me. Thanks, boss. Appreciate it. Oh, it's in my pocket. Whatever. You missed me coming off the jump. I came off that thing with some juice.